How can we make virtual meetings more personal? While adding video chat and screen sharing can go a long way in establishing a more human touch to a virtual call. Hi, I'm Willem Osich and welcome to Botsplash TV. In today's world of digital communication, many people might not necessarily prefer to show themselves on camera. However, as we discussed back in episode 10 of Botsplash TV, having your webcam turned on during a virtual meeting can add that much more of a personal interaction with all the parties involved in the meeting. Video chat makes it possible for two or more people to connect on a call and really breaks down that digital barrier of just being on a virtual meeting. Additionally, screen sharing allows individuals the ability to share contents of their screens, tabs, and windows with other people on the call. Such video chatting tools that are available on the market right now range from Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and more. And yes, the Botsplash platform offers robust video chat and screen sharing features that allows their users to instantly set up a virtual call without needing any external software downloads. So if you'd like to maximize the most out of your in- and outbound communications, do consider video chat and screen sharing. I'm Willem Osich. Thank you for watching Botsplash TV.